When homeowners think about improving their property's appearance and value, they often consider landscaping, fresh paint, or a new roof. However, one upgrade that delivers both visual impact and financial return is window replacement. In McLean, where homes often showcase elegant architecture and well-maintained exteriors, replacing outdated windows can significantly enhance curb appeal while also increasing overall home value. A fresh, modern look for your home windows are one of the most noticeable features of any home's exterior. Old, faded, or damaged windows can make even a well-kept property look outdated. On the other hand, new windows instantly give a home a fresh and polished appearance. Modern window designs come in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes that can complement both traditional and contemporary homes. Whether you choose classic double-hung windows, sleek casement windows, or large picture windows, the right design can highlight the architectural beauty of your home. In a community like McLean, where attention to detail and curb appeal are highly valued, upgraded windows can make a home stand out in the neighborhood. Clean frames, clear glass, and symmetrical designs create a welcoming and sophisticated look that immediately improves the exterior. Increased property value. Replacing windows is not just about aesthetics, it's also a smart investment. Homebuyers often look for properties that are move-in ready and require minimal upgrades. New windows signal that the home has been well maintained and updated with modern features. Energy-efficient windows, in particular, are highly attractive to potential buyers. They offer improved insulation, reduce drafts, and help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures year-round. Because of these benefits, homes with upgraded windows often have higher resale value and can sell faster in competitive markets. For homeowners planning to sell in the future, window replacement can provide a strong return on investment. Even if selling isn't on the horizon, the added value still benefits the homeowner by improving the property's overall market appeal. Improved energy efficiency. Beyond curb appeal and home value, new windows can dramatically improve a home's energy efficiency. Older windows often allow air leaks that cause heating and cooling systems to work harder. This can lead to higher energy bills and inconsistent indoor temperatures. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced technologies such as double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and low emissivity coatings. These features help reduce heat transfer, keeping homes warmer in winter and cooler in summer. For McLean homeowners, this means greater comfort inside the home and lower energy costs throughout the year. Over time, the savings on utility bills can help offset the cost of the window replacement project. Enhanced natural light and view. Another benefit of new windows is improved natural lighting. Updated window designs often feature slimmer frames and larger glass areas, allowing more sunlight to enter the home. Natural light not only makes interior spaces feel brighter and more inviting, but it can also make rooms appear larger and more open. Additionally, clearer glass and improved designs can enhance outdoor views, helping homeowners enjoy their surroundings even more. This improved connection between indoor and outdoor spaces adds both comfort and visual appeal to the home. Better functionality and security. Older windows can become difficult to open, close, or lock properly. Over time, frames may warp, hardware may wear out, and seals can break down. These issues not only reduce convenience but can also impact home security. Modern replacement windows are designed with smooth operation and strong locking mechanisms. Homeowners benefit from improved functionality, easier maintenance, and enhanced peace of mind knowing their home is better protected. A smart upgrade for McLean Homes. Window replacement is one of the most effective ways to boost both curb appeal and home value. With modern styles, improved energy efficiency, enhanced natural light, and better functionality, new windows provide benefits that extend far beyond appearance. For homeowners in McLean, investing in window replacement is a practical and rewarding way to upgrade their home. The result is a more beautiful exterior, a more comfortable interior, and a property that holds stronger value for years to come.